Yeah, I mean, I think that, there are, I give this talk, I say that, let's say you have a 70 IQ and you say that, hey, I want to do the best I can. So I would say, okay, 70 IQ, you can buy an index fund. And then someone comes and says, hey, I have an 85 IQ. I'm better than 70 IQ guy. Can you do better? Can I do better than that? I said, yeah, of course you can do better than that. You can buy Berkshire Hathaway stock and just hold it. High probability of doing better than the index. And then someone says, well, I'm a 100 IQ. Can I do better than the 85 IQ? And I say, of course you can. And then I say, just read the paper by those two professors and replicate that. And then someone says, I have a 120 IQ. And then I would say, why don't you just do what I'm doing? And above 120 IQ is useless for investing. Any other question? Yeah, go ahead.